Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to manifest your ideal partner and the ideal relationship. So first we are going to focus on the what, exactly what do you want in the ideal partner and what makes you happy. And then we are going to focus on the how as to how you can manifest it. So I'm going to channel now and help you in that process. So I'll see you at the end. Greetings. Dear children, I am Mary Magdalene and I have my water dragons with me. And today we are going to talk about love. What is the ideal outcome you want in your love and how you can manifest it? So take a pen and a paper or open your digital notepads and write down the answer to this question. What is important to you in a relationship? Write down whatever comes to your mind. Don't focus on what is possible or what is not possible. Pause this video and write down what is important to you in a relationship. Now that you have written it down, I will ask you the same question again. What is important to you in a relationship? What else? Pause this video and write down as many things that comes to your mind. This is a method this channel uses in her coaching sessions. So the actual process is much more elaborate. We are only touching on the surface to get you started. So now that you have written it down, ask yourself the same question three more times. What is important to you in love and relationships? What else comes to your mind? And pause this video to write those down. By now, you should have at least 10 to 15 points or more in your list. Now, I would ask you to take those points and group them. Group the things that are common, group the things which are similar in nature, and create buckets of same things. Take those points and group them. See how many groups you can create and name those groups. Pause the video to do this exercise. Now that you have grouped those things, which is the most important group? Put that in the top. Reorganize the group. Put the most important thing, most important group at the top. Then the second most important just below that, the third most important below that, and in this manner, reorganize the group with the most important things at the top. This would give you a good idea of what is it that you're looking for in a relationship. Now, at this point, if you have written in negatives like my ideal relationship should not have this or that, then those are some limiting beliefs that you need to release so that you are able to manifest the right person. So you can reach out to this channel to help you release those limiting beliefs because this channel is an expert in that. So it is always a good idea to release the beliefs before the manifestation happens. But for now, to continue the process, you have already discovered what is it that you want in a relationship, what excites you. And now that you have that list ready, now we are going to shift to the how you are going to manifest it. Now take a moment to breathe deeply. Take some deep and slow breaths. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Do a couple of slow inhale and exhale to relax the body. And now I want you to imagine, how would you feel when all these things that you had written manifests? How would it feel like in a relationship with your ideal partner? How would it feel like? I want you to bask in that moment, to feel all the positive emotions that come up. Bask in that moment. Imagine being in a relationship that fulfills all these criteria that you have written. How does it feel like? Take as much time as you want by pausing the video to bask in the feeling. What we want is you to get into that feeling state, feeling the emotions of how you would feel when this has manifested. And then we are going to do some EFT tapping, the emotional freedom technique. We are going to do some tapping on our meridian points to finalize this manifestation. So while you are still imagining and feeling the positive emotions of being in a relationship like that, where all your criteria has come true, affirm by tapping on top of your head that I am in a happy relationship and continue the imagination. Tap 7 times on the top of your head with your fingers gently that I am happy in this relationship. Keep affirming silently in your head that I'm happy in this relationship. This relationship that I've manifested, I'm happy. Then tap on the edge of your eyebrow with 2 of your fingers gently and repeatedly affirm, I'm happy in this relationship. Tap 7 times. Then continue repeating the affirmation, I'm happy in this relationship, and tap at the bottom of your eyes 7 times. Then again, repeatedly affirm, I'm happy in this relationship while imagining those criteria as having come true and you being in that relationship. And tap on the right side of your eyes on the bone part, on the side of your eye, on the outer side 7 times. Again, Keep on repeating the affirmation silently in your head that I am happy in this relationship, and tap between your nose and your upper lip, the space between your nose and upper lip 7 times, while repeatedly affirming the same sentence over and over again. Then tap right above your chin where your crease is there 7 times and repeatedly affirm that I'm happy in this relationship. You need to tap here where the lips end and it creases and the chin starts this crease. Tap here 7 times. And now tap on your wrist here 7 times while repeatedly affirming, I'm happy in this relationship. And then on the side of your hand, tap 7 times and repeatedly affirm, I'm happy in this relationship. And continue the imagination process. So, this entire process of tapping while imagining and affirming can be done once or twice daily so that you can enter into the state where you are in that moment, in that vibration of happiness in a fulfilling relationship. And while you are doing this, once you have done this, ask yourself, how would I think, feel, behave, or act when I'm in a happy relationship? And write those things down. While you are still in that happy moment, while you're still feeling the happiness, continue the process of imagination. And this exercise needs to be done only once, the writing exercise only once. Just write down, how would you show up differently when you are in a happy relationship? What would you do? Write those actions down. Pause this video to write it down. And once you have written it down, then you can perform those actions daily, not all of them, whichever ones you can do, whichever ones are possible for you to do in your daily life, whatever actions you would do differently than you are now doing. Take those actions. Maybe you would take care of yourself more. Maybe you would go to the gym. Maybe something else. Every person's actions would be different. So, from that moment of happiness, whatever actions came to your mind, start doing them every day because that would anchor you into this energy of the future self that you are trying to manifest, the future self who has manifested this happy relationship. So, keep doing the actions every day until you have manifested your ideal partner. Keep doing the tapping at least once every day, along with the imagination and the tapping. The tapping, the imagination, and the actions are going to anchor you to this future where you have your ideal relationship and it will manifest in your life. So, in this manner, you can manifest a happy relationship in your life. This is very simple, it's very easy. The point is to be in that vibration of happiness when you are being in a happy relationship. The tapping anchors your meridian points to this new vibration. It informs your body that you have become the future version who has and is being in this relationship, even if it is not here right now. This is how you shift your energy to the future self to manifest what you desire. The actions and the tapping has to be done regularly so that you can anchor into that future self and manifest it eventually. So, with this, we will end our transmission. I wish you a good day.